Unbounce is a popular landing page builder, but before you make the investment, there are 12 things you need to know. Let's dive in and see if Unbounce really stands out against its competitors. First, Unbounce offers drag and drop functionality, which is great for non-technical users. It allows you to design landing pages without the need for a developer. But how does it stack up against other builders like Leadpages or Instapage? While they also offer drag and drop, Unbounce has more advanced features for customization, allowing users more flexibility in designing unique pages. Next, Unbounce has a wide range of templates, including options tailored for various industries. While this sounds great, the templates aren't always as modern or aesthetically pleasing as those from competitors like Wix or Squarespace. If design matters a lot to you, you might find Unbounce templates a bit dated. The third thing you should know is about A/B testing. Unbounce excels here. It allows you to easily test different versions of your landing pages to optimize performance. This feature is essential for anyone serious about conversion rate optimization, and it's more user-friendly than some competitors who limit A/B testing to premium plans. Next, Unbounce offers powerful pop-ups and sticky bars, which can be great for capturing leads. But be cautious. Pop-ups can be intrusive, and not all visitors will appreciate them. Some competitors, like Opt-in Monster, focus exclusively on pop-up features and may offer more advanced targeting options. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing. Unbounce can be on the pricier side, especially for smaller businesses or those just starting out. You're looking at a monthly fee that starts at around $90, and while that includes a lot of great features, competitors like Leadpages offer similar functionality at a lower cost. Sixth, Unbounce integrates with a variety of other platforms. Whether it's email marketing tools, CRMs, or analytics, Unbounce plays well with others. But be sure to check that your specific tools are supported. Some competitors may offer more built-in integrations, depending on the plan. The seventh thing is the learning curve. While Unbounce is relatively easy to use, there is still a bit of a learning curve, especially for those who are new to landing page builders. If you want something even more beginner-friendly, you might want to look into options like Wix or Shopify's landing page tools. Eighth, Unbounce offers mobile optimization, which is a must in today's mobile-first world. However, the mobile editor can feel a bit clunky. Competitors like Instapage have better mobile editors that allow for more intuitive changes across devices. Now, let's talk about the ninth thing, customer support. Unbounce provides 24/7 support through chat and email, but their response times can sometimes be slow during high-volume periods. This is where competitors like Leadpages have a slight edge, offering more immediate responses in some cases. The 10th thing is the Smart Traffic feature, which automatically sends visitors to the landing page version most likely to convert for them based on their browsing history and other factors. This is an advanced feature that really sets Unbounce apart from competitors, but it's also something you'll need to master to take full advantage of it. Next, Unbounce page load speed is impressive. This can significantly impact your conversion rates, as slow pages can drive potential customers away. However, competitors like Instapage are also known for fast load times, so it's important to test your specific pages to be sure. The 12th and final thing to keep in mind is Unbounce scalability. As your business grows, so does your need for more landing pages and more sophisticated features. Unbounce can accommodate this with its higher tier plans, but be prepared for the increased cost as you scale. Some other tools may offer more affordable options at higher tiers. So, is Unbounce worth it? It's a solid option for landing page creation with powerful features and great flexibility. But if you're looking for something that offers a bit more in terms of ease of use, pricing, or design, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.